OpenAI is giving up to 100,000 academic researchers free frontier model access. Nous Research gave Hermes Agent a wake word, Google's Flow Music just got a smarter model, and DoorDash is now cleared to fly delivery drones. Here's today's AI News. OpenAI has launched ChatGPT for academic researchers, giving scientists, mathematicians, and engineers at selected institutions free access to its frontier models, starting with GPT-5.6 Sol Pro. It's starting with 10,000 researchers this summer, already live at places like the Institute for Advanced Study, and OpenAI plans to grow that to 100,000 by 2027. Each researcher can invite up to 4 collaborators from their own institution, and the workspace comes with business-grade privacy, meaning none of it trains OpenAI's models by default. It's part of a broader commitment north of $250 million through 2027, including the Next Gen AI Consortium. Free frontier access for the people actually doing the research is a genuinely good look, assuming it stays free. Nous Research has given Hermes Agent a wake word, so you can just say the phrase and it opens a new session and starts listening, completely hands-free across the CLI, TUI or desktop app. Detection runs entirely on device and it's off by default, so nothing gets recorded or leaves your machine until you've actually said the wake word and started talking. Every profile can have its own phrase too, so saying something like "Hey Coder" can drop you straight into a specific configured session rather than a generic one. Google DeepMind has rolled out Lyria 3.5, its newest music model, and it's now powering flow music with noticeably better vocals, richer arrangements, and proper BPM control. The vocals are more expressive and dynamic now, actually sounding like someone's singing rather than a synthesized approximation, and the arrangements flow more naturally instead of feeling stitched together. You can also steer it more precisely, setting the tempo directly and getting results that actually follow your creative direction instead of roughly gesturing at it. DoorDash has launched DoorDash Air, its own in-house drone delivery program, after getting FAA certification to actually operate commercial drone deliveries in the US. It's the 8th operator to get that specific air carrier certification, which isn't a rubber stamp. It covers everything from the aircraft's airworthiness to its maintenance program to the actual safety procedures around flying it. DoorDash Labs, the company's robotics and autonomy team, built this in-house rather than just partnering with an existing drone operator like Wing or Zipline, and they're building their own aircraft too. No firm date yet for when this actually shows up in the app, but the direction is obvious: fewer human drivers, more of the delivery handled by machines.